I'm sure you guys have seen those AI anime cooking videos, at least once in YouTube Shorts or TikTok. There's this YouTube channel that's pulling in thousands of views just by posting them. Even on TikTok, there's a page that gained over 300K followers, racking up millions of views and making around $3,000 every single month. But here's the problem almost nobody's talking about. Every single one of these videos is the same 10-second cooking montages that get scrolled past easily. So today I'm showing you exactly how I built a full-fledged 60-second anime cooking video that actually tells a story. I'm going to walk you through the entire blueprint, from coming up with iconic dish ideas and detailed visual prompts, all the way to generating the animations and editing them into one finished video. And instead of paying $20 a month for a single AI tool like Google Flow, I'll be using Runway, which includes popular image and video models in a single subscription. However, we will get to that in a minute. The best part? I have created a master document that contains all the prompts I'll be using today. And yes, I'm giving that to you for free, so stick around for that. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. The reason these anime cooking videos perform so well comes down to one simple thing. The way each step of the preparation unfolds, it pulls people in and keeps them watching until the very last second. And that's exactly why we're building a full 60-second video instead of a rushed 10-second montage that gets scrolled past easily. So the very first step is picking a dish, and for that we're using Claude. You'll find this exact prompt inside the master document I mentioned, which you can grab later from the description. All you have to do is copy and paste it directly into Claude. And within a few seconds you'll have a full list of dish ideas that are iconic and instantly appealing to a global audience. Once you've picked a dish you actually like, the next part is where things get interesting. You need a visual prompt, and I already have a formula ready for this exact step. Simply copy the second prompt from the document, paste it into Claude, and swap in the dish you chose. What comes back is genuinely impressive, along with a master character prompt. It breaks your dish idea down into structured scenes, each with its own detailed video prompt. They're designed to stay consistent, so your video has that professional look, rather than feeling like a random collection of clips stitched together. Now that we have our scenes ready, it's finally time to start bringing them to life. You could absolutely create videos like this using tools like Google Flow and CapCut, but I wanted to fast-track the entire process, so I'll be using Runway instead. It's a complete creative platform where I can generate images, videos, and even edit everything on a timeline, all within one subscription. So head over to this tool using my link in the description and use my code to receive an exclusive discount. Once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Now before moving forward, if you're still watching, you're part of the 10% who actually take action. If that's you and you want more of these AI tools, niches, and faceless channel strategies every week, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. Before we get to the animation itself, there's one important step we need to take care of. Head over to the image section inside Runway and select the Seedream model. Now go back to Claude, copy and paste the master character prompt, and hit generate. This gives us 4 perfect character images, with the exact look and style we want carried through every single scene. Simply download the one you liked the most. Alright, now this is where it gets interesting. Head to the video section and select the Seedance 2.5 model, since it's newly released and handles this specific style far better. Upload the character image we just created as your reference. Then go back to Claude and copy the video prompt from scene 1. Set the aspect ratio, choose your duration to around 7 seconds, and hit generate. And seriously, I didn't expect it to look this good. The anime style, the lighting, everything looks super clean and realistic. From here, it's just a matter of repeating the same steps for each remaining scene. Pasting the next prompt from Claude and generating it through Seedance, using that same character image each time, until every part of the story is created. Also, not every generation comes out perfect on the first try though. One of my scenes was generated wrong previously, so I just adjusted the prompt manually and regenerated it until it matched what I actually wanted, which is a completely normal part of the process. Now let's move on to the final step, where we put everything together. Runway also has an editor built directly into the dashboard, so head to the home section and select the Edit in Timeline feature. Now from here, drop each of your generated clips onto the timeline in the order you created them. Once that's done, go through and adjust them so the cooking flow feels natural from one scene to the next. And that's really it. You don't need any fancy editing to make this work. A background music is more than enough to give the video a more authentic feel. Once you're happy with how everything flows together, all you have to do is download the video. Here's how the final video looks. And that's how easy it is to create AI anime cooking ASMR shorts. You now have the full blueprint and the exact prompts. The creators already in it are pulling in millions of views and are earning thousands of dollars a month. I want you to actually make something, not just watch the video and move on. If you want an all-in-one AI tool and genuinely want to reduce your AI subscription costs, give Runway a try. I have dropped the link down in the description, along with my exclusive discount code. If this video gave you something real, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.